So I have a casting. I mean, I have to send a self-test for this thing, this TV show. Yeah. I feel like I put too much highlighter on my face, which is making me look sweaty. But anyway, it's like I'm dressed in athleisure because that's the look, and I'm supposed to be playing the lead's friend, and we are going for this dance class. Something came out of my buttermilk. It's disgusting. It's what's it called? Dhania. What's dhania in English? What is dhania in English? Coriander. Coriander, the stick of it, the stem. Okay, I don't want to keep this aside. Buttermilk just fills me up, but I love it. So I need to get ready, and I don't believe in learning the script beforehand. It just doesn't work for me. For me, it's always like last minute works the best. If I freestyle it, it's going to be better. So I've got a sports bra on and the like a matching leggings set, two piece, not two piece. So small, two piece, no. Leggings and a sports bra. Why am I spazzing out so bad? I started this new thing where I'm not taking a nap in the afternoon, and I have to tell you that it's not working in my favor. I've also stopped. I've stopped eating refined flour, which is crazy. I have to figure out my hair now. I think I'm gonna leave them open as usual because I'm moving to a dance class in this. So I mean, wouldn't this be better? Yeah. Also, I can't be bothered. I don't know why this happens to rubber bands. My rubber band is like dying, legit on its last leg. But I also don't like when the rubber band's really tight because then it hurts my hair. Do you know how you would like wrap a rubber band around a certain number of times for it to feel tight enough? So like this is you do it 3 times, but then if it's too tight, it goes around 1.5 times. I just spoke about a rubber band for no reason. Anyway, so I am so glad that I don't have to go to Bombay to do this, and I can just send a self-test from home. I'm so grateful. Ouch. I'm gonna put some tint. I love this lip tint. And then I put the same thing on my cheeks. Done. Just blend it. I started putting my makeup with my fingers again instead of using a brush or a beauty blender. I think it works better. And I just need to learn my script. The thing is, I know what I have to do. I'm just buying time now. I'm procrastinating to the fullest. I may attend a dance class today. Let's see. The only thing is it's from 7 to 8, and that's literally my bedtime because I'm gonna eat dinner like by 5, and then I feel sleepy. I feel like it's time to go to sleep, which is I won't fall asleep at 8, but by 9 I will. But then if I go for this class, I'll be home by 9ish, and then it takes me a while to fall asleep when I've been out or around people. I mean, a lot of people, everyone takes time to unwind. I think it's normal. I'm gonna post my audition on mute for fun. And I had made this folder on Google Drive. The struggle is real. I've been uploading my auditions on that into that folder, just to look back someday and be like, I tried my best. If nothing works out, if this doesn't work out, I'll do something else. It's alright. But I can just tell my children that mommy really tried. Mommy gave it her best. She did audition a lot. Okay, I'm done. I'm gonna go now and record this audition, and you'll be able to see it. And then I'll see if I'm going for class. I'll take you along. Bye. So, since I have to mute this part, I'm going to read something from my favorite book. It's not my favorite book, but like there's this book called The Speaking Tree. So there's this article, this column that used to, I don't know if it still comes in the Times of India, Speaking Tree, in which there were these, I don't know, like different people wrote about different things. That's so vague. But anyway, I believe that if you take any random book and you open it to any page, it's like a message from God, from the universe. So here's some book ASMR. I'm going to open it to a random page. This is what has opened up, which is crazy.
Relax a bit and see what happens. Satsang Swami Sukhabodhananda. Why shouldn't I indulge in sensation? You attempt to remove inner incompletion through indulgence. You feel different sensations would give you completion. But the greed for sensation increases in completion. The desire for more makes you want more rather than feel complete. During sleep, there is no wanting, you are complete. This does not mean condemning your sense organs. Keep them alive and pure. Sensations are fine as long as you do not get addicted to them. And addiction happens in ignorance. How should I relax? That's a great question. Learn the art of balancing life. Do not pull all your eggs do not put all your eggs into one basket. And I always say this, I put all my eggs in one basket all the time. Anyway, that was a side note. Learn to open your body center through exercise, yoga, deep breathing. Learn to open your mind. There is joy when you learn